Hey gang, welcome to our lesson on subordinate clauses. We talked about independent clauses, so now let's take a closer look at subordinate clauses. Subordinate clauses, we'll abbreviate them SC, also known as dependent clauses, are incomplete thoughts. They are dependent, thus the name dependent clause. They're dependent on another independent clause, which we'll abbreviate IC, for other information that makes them not complete. And they involve a subordinator. So those are the key points. Incomplete thoughts, they're dependent on another independent clause, and will involve a subordinator. So that raises the question, what is a subordinator? Well, a subordinator is a word that links a subordinate clause to another clause containing information necessary to complete the thought. That subordinator might be a relative pronoun, something like who, whom, that, which. It might be a subordinating conjunction, because, since, although, etc. It could be an adverb, where, when, while, why, etc. These are not all of them, just a few examples. So here are some example sentences using them. Here's an independent clause. The boy ate. It's a sentence. It can stand alone. It's an independent clause. But if we add a subordinating conjunction, in this case, since, we instantly make it a subordinate clause. Notice that since the boy ate, ... it demands more information. It's not complete. You got to say more than just that. So what now? We need more completing information. So we add an independent clause to complete it. In this case, he felt full. That's a sentence, right? An independent clause can stand on its own. Now, when joined together, the subordinate clause with the independent clause, we're happy again. We got enough information that it makes sense. Since the boy ate, he felt full. More examples. The boy read, another independent clause. It's a sentence. But if we add a relative pronoun, in this case, that, on the front end of it, that the boy read, it's now a subordinate clause. It's not a sentence anymore. It's waiting for more information. So what's our solution? Again, we join it with an independent clause. This is the book. That could be a sentence by itself, right? That's an independent clause. This is the book that the boy read. And again, we have two clauses, but one complete thought. The independent clause completes the subordinate clause. Some more examples. In this case, using an adverb. I go to school. That's an independent clause, a very simple sentence. But if we add the adverb when, an adverb of time, when I go to school, suddenly now we're not complete. It's subordinate. It's waiting for more information. The solution again is to join it, like last time, with an independent clause. I'll see you. That's a simple independent clause, simple sentence. I'll see you when I go to school. And now independent clause plus subordinate clause again gives us a complete thought.